So in last lecture, I have given the theoretical part of the default methods in Java 8. Now I am going to show you the practical, the code of Java 8 new feature default method. So if you are able to see my screen, we are having one method, that is default method I declared inside my interface shape. Okay, default void draw default. This is the default drawing from default method and in that interface. And I written one abstract method also. Previously also we were utilizing the same void draw. Okay, I try to implement this interface there in square. Okay, so what I did, I written a particular class, public class square implements shape, and I just override draw method. Okay, this is the overridden method in square. Okay, this is the square class method. So the shape method I override here in my class, I implement here in my class square. So now I want to utilize both of the default method as well as concrete method and the definition and declaration of both the methods there in my main class. So I written a class, public class main, public static void main string arguments, and I just create one object of that class, and I just write ob.draw and ob.draw default. Okay, so if I will execute here, it will give me the result from interface default method as well as abstract method. Okay, so this is how, if I want to utilize, I want to create one more class here. If I want to create one more class here, I just written new class, and I just given circle. Okay, I just finish it and just write implements shape. Okay, here it is asking that just add unimplemented method here. Okay, so that is the draw method. In my shape interface, I just write system out dot println, and here I have written this is circle, and I just close it. Okay, so to till what I did, I written one interface, I written one square class, I written one circle class. Okay, so now what I am doing, I am going to utilize these both of the classes. So in my first, I taken the object of square class and call both of the methods. Now what I am doing, I just created the class for circle ob1 equal to new circle ob1 dot draw ob1 dot draw default. Okay, and now I am going to execute it. Okay, so if you will see my screen, this is the override method in square, this is the default method from default, this is the default drawing from default method, this is the circle, this is the default method from drawing. Okay, so what I did, I can utilize anywhere wherever I will implement my shape interface. Okay, so if the requirement is coming that just declare the default behavior, or just write the default method or default functionality, just like the logger. Okay, in generally in software development what we are doing, So we are writing the loggers to be enabled, or loggers to be, this log should be displayed everywhere in all the modules, this and that. So in that scenario, what we can do, we can write a default method in a parent interface, and wherever whatever modules is going to implement that one, whatever classes are going to implement this interface, definitely default behavior will be there. So this is the use of default methods in Java 8. Thank you for watching this. Thank you.